I den deltagende dokumentarform deltager instruktøren aktivt og bliver en af de medvirkende, sommetider sågar hovedrolleindehaver. Formen bruges til at tage seeren med ind i en begivenhed eller en handling.
1339. I made it over the 3-day hump. You know how when you quit smoking? I don't know how many of you out there smoke cigarettes, but you should stop. I quit smoking, and it's the 3-day hump. If you can make it over those 3 days without smoking one cigarette, you can make it past day 1, day 2, day 3, you make it over the hump, you're fine. Same thing with this. I made it past day 3. I'm all right.
De deltagende dokumentarer anses ofte for at være meget subjektive, eftersom at instruktøren spiller en meget aktiv rolle. Det gør, at det sjældent er svært at udpege, hvem der er skurken og hvem der er offeret. Et eksempel kunne være i Michael Moores Born for Columbine, hvor NRA's præsident, Charlton Heston, tydeligt bliver udstillet for at være skurken.
Not really, but I'm exercising one of the rights passed on down to me from those wise old dead white guys that invented this country. If it was good enough for them, it's good enough for me.
Der bliver ofte brugt flashbacks, arkivbilleder og iscenesættelser i den deltagende dokumentarform. Det bliver brugt for at pointere dokumentarens budskab.
We need to control the bullets. That's right. I think all bullets should cost $5,000. $5,000 for a bullet. You know why? Because if a bullet costs $5,000, there'll be no more innocent bystanders.
Dokumentaristen har det ofte med at tale direkte ind i kameraet, hvor han undervejs reflekterer over, hvad han oplever. Det øger identifikationsmulighederne og spændingen, når seeren føler, at de næsten er med i afsløringerne.
You right? Yeah.
It was like a big adventure every night. We were going on top of building and going on top of something that was not just illegal, it was dangerous. You know, it was not like I'm downstairs and you upstairs doing your thing and I'm filming. No, I would go upstairs and I would go even up more to have the shot that is great.
Den deltagende dokumentarform møder ofte meget kritik, eftersom at instruktøren har det med at manipulere med seerne. Det er noget, vi blandt andet ser i Michael Moores dokumentarer. Michael Moore har det ofte med at gøre alt for at frembringe sit eget syn på sagen. Og ved at gøre det, udelukker han ofte meget vigtige fakta og information omkring sagen. Det bliver gjort, fordi at sommetider er der fakta, der modsiger instruktørens påstand. Det er almindeligt at anvende flere forskellige former for interview, for eksempel ekspertinterviewet eller dumme Peter-interviewet, hvor interviewpersonen tydeligt bliver udstillet og problematiseres.
Victim of crime?
No.
Never been assaulted or no violence toward you, but you have guns in the house. Loaded. They're loaded.
No. Well,
but let me ask you
this. Really need a weapon for self-defense. You need it loaded.
Okay, but why do you need it for self-defense? Because
I don't.
Yeah, you've never been a victim of crime. You haven't been assaulted here. You haven't been.
That's true.
You know, why would you? So why not? Why don't you unload the gun?
Because the Second Amendment gives me the right to have.